The brave little tailor. Once upon a time, a little tailor made a beautiful coat. Proud of his work, he wore it through the town when a group of flies buzzed by. Swatting at them, the tailor said, "7 in one blow." A passerby overheard and thought he had defeated 7 giants. The tailor quickly realized that everyone would think he was a hero. He told more people that he had defeated giants, and soon the king heard the story. The king sent him on a dangerous mission to fight a giant. The tailor, though small, was clever. He tricked the giant and made him run away. The king rewarded the little tailor with gold, and he returned home a hero. The moral of the story is, even if you're small, your wit and bravery can take you far.
The Golden Goose. Once upon a time, there was a poor farmer who had 3 sons. One day, the youngest son went out into the forest and found a golden goose. He brought it home to show his family. As they all marveled at it, a curious neighbor touched the goose and instantly stuck to it. Soon, everyone who touched the goose became stuck, including the princess. The youngest son decided to take the goose to the king. As he walked, the people who were stuck followed him. The king promised the son a great reward, and, when they arrived at the palace, the princess was so embarrassed that she decided to marry the boy. The moral of the story is that kindness and cleverness often lead to unexpected rewards.
The 3 little pigs. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs. Each pig decided to build a house. The first pig built his house of straw, the second made his of sticks, and the third made his of bricks. One day, a big bad wolf came to the straw house and blew it down. The first pig ran to his brother's house made of sticks. The wolf followed and blew that house down too. The pigs ran to the third pig's brick house. The wolf tried to blow the brick house down, but he couldn't. He huffed and puffed, but the house stood strong. The wolf then tried to sneak down the chimney, but the pigs had a hot pot of water waiting. The wolf fell into the pot and ran away. The pigs learned that hard work and planning are important. The moral of the story is, take your time and do things the right way to ensure they last.
The Frog Prince. A beautiful princess was playing with a golden ball near a pond when she accidentally dropped it in the water. She began to cry, but a frog appeared and promised to get the ball if she promised to be his friend. The princess agreed, but when the frog returned the ball, she forgot her promise and ran away. The frog came to the castle and reminded her of her promise. The princess reluctantly let him into her room. When she kissed the frog, he turned into a handsome prince. The princess learned that promises should always be kept. They soon became good friends and lived happily ever after. The moral of the story is, always keep your promises, no matter how small they seem.
Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. Snow White was a kind and beautiful princess who lived with her stepmother, the evil queen. The queen was jealous of Snow White's beauty and ordered her to be killed. But the huntsman who was sent to kill her could not do it and let her go. Snow White fled into the forest and found a cottage where 7 dwarfs lived. She lived happily with them, but the evil queen found out she was still alive. Disguised as an old woman, the queen gave Snow White a poisoned apple, which made her fall into a deep sleep. The dwarfs were heartbroken, but a prince came to kiss her, breaking the spell. Snow White woke up, and they lived happily ever after. The moral of the story is, kindness and beauty on the inside are what truly matter.
The Princess and the Pea. A young prince wanted to marry a real princess, but he couldn't find one. One stormy night, a young woman arrived at the castle, claiming to be a princess. The queen, wanting to test her, placed a pea under 20 mattresses and invited the girl to sleep on them. In the morning, the girl complained that she couldn't sleep because of something hard under the mattresses. The queen knew then that she was a real princess, because only a true princess could feel a pea through so many mattresses. The prince married her, and they lived happily ever after. The moral of the story is, true qualities, even the smallest ones, can be tested in unexpected ways. The Little Mermaid. Once upon a time, a young mermaid named Ariel lived deep in the ocean. She loved watching humans from afar, dreaming of one day living on land. One day, a storm caused a shipwreck, and Ariel saved a young prince. She fell in love with him but couldn't talk to him because she had no voice. A sea which agreed to grant Ariel legs in exchange for her beautiful voice. Ariel gave up her voice and became human, but the prince loved someone else, and Ariel was heartbroken. She chose not to harm him, and instead became a sea spirit watching over him. The moral of the story is, true love sometimes means letting go.
Cinderella's glass slipper. Cinderella was a kind girl, but her wicked stepmother and stepsisters made her do all the work. One day, the king invited all the young women to a royal ball. With the help of her fairy godmother, Cinderella went to the ball in a beautiful gown and glass slippers. She caught the eye of the prince, but as midnight approached, she had to leave. In her rush, she left one of her glass slippers behind. The prince searched the kingdom to find the owner of the slipper. When he arrived at Cinderella's house, it fit her perfectly, and they were married. The moral of the story is, kindness and patience are always rewarded.
The Elves and the Shoemaker. Once upon a time, there was a poor shoemaker who had very little to work with. One night, after cutting out the last pieces of leather, he went to bed. While he was sleeping, two tiny elves appeared in his workshop and made beautiful shoes out of the leather. The next morning, the shoemaker found the shoes and sold them for a good price. Every night, the elves returned and made more shoes, and the shoemaker became very successful. Grateful for their help, the shoemaker and his wife made clothes for the elves. The elves were so happy, they left, never to be seen again. The moral of the story is, helping others can lead to unexpected kindness in return.
The Little Red Hen. The Little Red Hen was busy working on her farm when she found some wheat seeds. She wanted to plant them, but none of her friends, the cat, the dog, and the pig, would help her. She planted the seeds, watered them, and harvested the wheat. When the wheat was ready to be baked into bread, the Little Red Hen asked again for help, but her friends refused. She baked the bread herself and ate it alone. Her friends wanted to share the bread, but the Little Red Hen said, "You didn't help me, so I'll enjoy it by myself." The moral of the story is, hard work is its own reward.
The Tortoise and the Hare. The tortoise and the hare decided to race. The hare was very fast and confident that he would win. He sped ahead, leaving the tortoise far behind. Feeling sure of his victory, the hare decided to take a nap. The tortoise, however, kept moving steadily and slowly, never stopping. When the hare woke up, he saw the tortoise nearing the finish line. He ran as fast as he could, but it was too late. The tortoise had already crossed the finish line and won the race. The moral of the story is, slow and steady wins the race. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. A young shepherd boy was bored and decided to play a trick on the villagers. He cried, "Wolf! Wolf! Help!" The villagers rushed to his aid, but when they arrived, they found no wolf. The boy laughed and said it was a joke. He did it again the next day, and the villagers came running again. But when a real wolf appeared and the boy cried for help, no one believed him. The wolf attacked the sheep, and the boy learned that lies can cause people to stop trusting you. The moral of the story is, don't tell lies, or people won't believe you when you tell the truth. The Ant and the Grasshopper. During the summer, the ant worked hard collecting food for the winter, while the grasshopper spent his days playing and singing. When winter came, the grasshopper had no food and went to the ant for help. The ant asked, "What did you do during the summer?" The grasshopper replied, "I played and sang." The ant said, "I worked hard while you played. Now you must face the consequences." The grasshopper learned that it's important to prepare for the future. The moral of the story is, hard work and planning prepare you for the future. The Fisherman and His Wife. A fisherman caught a magical fish that granted him 3 wishes. He asked for a new house, then a bigger house, and finally for his wife to be queen. But as the wife became more powerful, she became greedier, asking for more. The fish returned everything to its original state, and the fisherman lost all that he had gained. The moral of the story is, be careful what you wish for, as greed can lead to loss. The Ugly Duckling. An ugly duckling was teased by other animals for being different. He wandered alone and finally found a beautiful pond where he saw a family of swans. When he looked at his reflection, he saw that he had turned into a beautiful swan too. The other swans welcomed him, and the ugly duckling realized that he had grown into something special. The moral of the story is, sometimes the best changes come with time. The Lion and the Mouse. One day, a lion caught a mouse who was scurrying by. The mouse begged the lion to let him go, promising that one day he would return the favor. The lion, amused, decided to release the tiny creature. Some days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net, unable to escape. The mouse heard his roars and immediately came to the lion's rescue, chewing through the ropes to set him free. The lion was grateful, realizing that even the smallest creature could be of great help. The moral of the story is, kindness is never wasted, and even the smallest act of goodwill can make a big difference. The Princess and the Frog. A princess dropped her golden ball into a pond and made a promise to a frog that if he helped her, she would grant him a wish. He helped her, and when she reluctantly agreed to let him be her friend, the frog transformed into a handsome prince. They got married and lived happily ever after. The moral of the story is, keep your promises, and great things will follow. The Golden Touch. King Midas was a very rich man, but he was not happy. He wanted to be the richest person in the world, so he asked the gods to grant him the ability to turn everything he touched into gold. His wish was granted, and at first he was overjoyed. However, when he touched food, it turned to gold, and he could no longer eat. Even his daughter, whom he loved dearly, turned into a golden statue when he hugged her. Midas realized too late that his greed had ruined his life. The moral of the story is, be careful what you wish for, as it might not bring the happiness you expect.
The Farmer and the Stork. A farmer set a trap to catch the cranes that were eating his crops. One day, he caught a stork along with the cranes. The stork begged the farmer for mercy, saying, "I am not like the cranes. I take care of my family and do not harm crops." The farmer, feeling sorry, set the stork free. Later, the stork brought the farmer a gift to thank him for his kindness. The moral of the story is, help those who are kind, and they will repay you.
The Cow and the Lion. A lion was very hungry but could not find food. One day, he found a cow grazing peacefully and decided to eat it. But the cow spoke, saying, "I have a special gift for you instead. I can make you the ruler of the forest and help you find food if you promise not to eat me." The lion, intrigued, agreed to the cow's deal. The cow taught him how to find food in ways he had never imagined, and the lion realized that kindness and intelligence were better than brute strength. The moral of the story is, sometimes, Wisdom and kindness are more valuable than strength.
The Mouse and the Lion. A mouse accidentally ran over a lion's paw. The lion roared angrily and caught the mouse, ready to eat it. The mouse begged for mercy, saying, "Please, let me go, and one day I'll help you." The lion laughed but set the mouse free. A few days later, the lion was trapped in a hunter's net. The mouse heard his roars and chewed through the ropes, freeing the lion. The lion was grateful and remembered that even small creatures can be helpful. The moral of the story is, never underestimate the power of kindness, even from the smallest creatures.
The honest woodcutter. A poor woodcutter accidentally dropped his axe into a river. He sat down and cried because he couldn't afford a new one. A fairy appeared and asked why he was sad. When he told her, the fairy dived into the river and brought up a golden axe. The woodcutter said it wasn't his, so she dived again and brought up a silver axe. Still, the woodcutter said it wasn't his. Finally, she brought up his simple iron axe, and the woodcutter was overjoyed. The fairy, impressed by his honesty, gave him the golden and silver axes as well. The moral of the story is, honesty is always rewarded. The Stag and the Fox. A proud stag admired his large antlers but thought his legs were weak. One day he saw his reflection in a pond and admired his antlers. But when he tried to run from a hunter, his large antlers got caught in the branches, and he was trapped. Meanwhile, his legs, which he had thought were weak, allowed him to escape. The moral of the story is, don't focus on what you think is important, as sometimes your strengths are not what you expect. The Miser and his Gold. A miser buried his gold coins in the ground and visited the spot every day to look at his treasure. One day, a thief saw the miser burying his gold and dug it up. The miser found his treasure missing and cried for his loss. A friend advised him to put his gold to good use rather than hiding it. The miser realized that he had spent all his time hoarding his wealth instead of enjoying life. The moral of the story is, money is useless if you don't use it wisely.